Welcome. In a previous video I set up an Amcrest Wi-Fi doorbell, and I'll put a link in the description of that video. And this doorbell was provided to me by Amcrest, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link in the description to the doorbell on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. I'll also put a link in the description to my Amcrest playlist where you can find some other videos on this doorbell and other videos on some other Amcrest products. So in this video I wanted to go over sharing the doorbell with someone else. And even if you're one person, you may need to do this because you can only log into your Amcrest smart home account on one device. So I currently have this set up on my phone, which I'm showing on screen now, and I can view a live feed of this video. And I also have my iPad set up. So if I log into this same account that I'm logged into my phone on my iPad, it logs me out of my iPhone. So I've set up a second account on a separate email address, and I've logged into that on my iPad. So if I go to my phone, which is logged in now, I'm viewing the video. I want to go to the little gear in the upper right hand corner. Then towards the bottom of the screen, I want to go to Share Device. Then I want to tap Add Shared User. I'll enter in my email address that I used for the second account, and then you can change the permissions here. I have all the permissions set, but you can set them individually too for like live view, camera functions, events, cloud recording, SD card recordings, device settings, cloud recording management. So I'll confirm that. Now you can see on the iPad it loaded the front door and it popped up a message here saying it would like to connect to devices on the network, so I'll hit OK. And now I can tap on that, and we see a view of the camera. So I'll go back to that on my phone. So now we're viewing it on both devices at the same time. You can also do things like view the microSD card. So I can view an earlier recording from this camera. Here we go, it's just a car driving up the road. So with the shared camera, it will work identical to the one on my main phone. So this is a way that you can use the camera on two different devices like I'm using here on an iPhone and an iPad, or you could use iPhone and Android. This is also a way that you could have a spouse or partner use it on their device, and they could log in with their own email address. Or say if you're away on vacation, you could give this to a friend or family member or a neighbor so they could monitor it on their device. But then you could also monitor it while you're away. So I just wanted to cover this aspect of the doorbell. I know some people are probably going to be wanting to do this. I do plan on making more videos on this doorbell. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.